Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a fun and exciting snack recipe. We're going to make this delicious Bun Maska with Badam Milk. Let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to make the Badam Milk. For that, to the mixer jar I'm adding 10 almonds or badam, 3 cashews and about 6 pistachios. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just grind everything together till you get a nice fine powder consistency. To a saucepan, I'm adding 500 ml of boiled milk. So we're quickly going to make the badam milk that goes on top of the Bun Maska. I've added 4 tablespoons of the badam powder mix. Just mix everything well along with the milk. Just adding another teaspoon of sugar just to balance the sweetness. Well, I like it a little sweet, so I'm adding that extra 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can taste it and adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Add a pinch of saffron, turn off the stove and keep it aside. So next we're going to combine some butter and condensed milk. To a bowl, I'm taking roughly about 100 grams of unsalted butter. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. I'm just going to mix it all together. So you can use this butter and condensed milk mixture for about 2 to 3 buns. So you can see the butter has softened up beautifully. Just make sure the butter is at room temperature while adding the condensed milk. So you can see it's become nice and soft and fluffy. Look at that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Just cut the bun into half. You can use a regular bun or a sweet bun, it's up to you. Add a generous amount of butter onto one slice. Gently spread it onto the bun. Take another heaped teaspoon of the butter, gently place it onto the other half and spread it out evenly. Wow, just look at that butter, it looks so gorgeous, it looks so creamy. Close the bun. Now you can cut it into 4. Don't press it too hard, do this gently. The next step is to assemble the Bun Maska. Tea time just got an upgrade. Bun Maska with badam milk. Sounds yummy, right? Let me know what is your favorite tea time snack in the comment section. Place the bun onto a nice plate. Gently pour the prepared badam milk on top. Pour it all over the bun. You can see the bun will instantly absorb that beautiful badam milk. Garnish the bun with some chopped nuts like pistachios and almonds. Let the bun soak in that beautiful golden badam milk and serve it immediately when it's still nice and warm. If you're looking for something interesting and a different tea time snack, this Bun Maska with badam milk is something that you must try. Bun butter reminds me of my school days, and here's a nice sweet twist to that. Well, it's time to taste while you guys drool over there. Wow. It is melting in my mouth. The flavors are just incredible. The mild sweetness and of course its spongy bun that's absorbed all these beautiful flavors is amazing. Go get the buns, whip up that creamy butter and try this incredibly delicious Bun Maska. Now don't forget to share it with your family and friends and enjoy. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.